Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I got a big unboxing for you guys. So let's get this in front of you right now. And like I said, it's a big box, so you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So just to let you guys know, I got multiple of these. I have another one of these, and I have another one that's actually coming in the mail. So one was sent to me by the actual product, and the ones that I actually ordered myself. I have a video coming up to you guys showing you guys how to actually order one right now. So at no further ado, here we go right here. So just make sure there's no extra information. Oh, this thing is big. Okay, give me a second, because there is some information on the box. So let me just remove this. I might have to use a heat gun to remove this off of here. Can I move it without ripping it? Yeah, that's gonna be bad. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get the heat gun to remove this off. Well, this video is going to be highly edited, so I'm not really stressing it. I just don't like when my boxes is like that. All right, so I had to peel the stick off. I'm going to get this off here. I got to get my heat gun to remove that off. So let's get this right here. I am just going to peel it off instead of cutting it. Maybe I should cut it. There we go. Now I do have another one of these. That's on the other side, and I have another one that's actually on its way to me. So yeah, I got 3 in total. So let's unbox this. This over like that, and there we go. So we have the star of the show right here. Let's get this out. I'm just scratching up the hell out of my hand. We get more stuff right here, which this is just a charger. I won't be using this because I use a 100-watt charger on all my stuff, even on my Nintendo Switch, if I can get this box open. There we go. The 65-watt, I believe. I think this is 65 watts. So let's just take it out the bag real quick. Doesn't really tell me, but it says pull right here. There we go. Yeah, this is a 65 watt. I normally just keep this in my bag with me when I travel places, because I like to keep extra things with me. I'm not gonna rip this. I like to keep my stuff pristine, so I'm gonna just keep this the way how it is, like that. I'm not gonna even try to rip that up and stuff like that. But this box right here is used as a kickstand. I don't believe there's nothing else inside here besides some paperwork, which is right here. So let's close that up. Put that out the way. Get this over. Here we go right here. I like the fact that it comes with a bag. Yeah, buddy. There we go. This thing is big. So we get the kickstand right here, and we get the little dock piece that goes to the joystick to cover it up right there. We're just gonna move this to the side. There we go. Plastic. And there we go, boys. That's it right there. So I just want to see this real quick. How to freaking unlock it. So I guess you press the button right here, push it down, and you line this up. If I can find the spot. There we go. And push up. There we go. It's locked. Unlock it. Press down. Put it back in. Line that part up right here. And basically press up. Okay. Okay. It's locked on here. Got a little bit of wobble in here. So let's power it on for the first time. Probably has no juice in there. So we're going to put some juice in here. So let me get my cord real quick. Here we go. May need some. If y'all hear some rubbing on the cord, on the mic, I'm sorry about that. That's just the my microphone rubbing on my shirt, my hoodie. So yeah. All right, guys. So this is everything right here. I'm gonna put this away. I have another one on the side, and I have another one coming in the mail. This one is I believe the 16 gigabyte. So this is the Z2, not the Z2 Extreme. This is the Z2 with 16 gigabytes of RAM. The other one that I got coming in the mail is going to be the Z2 Extreme with 32 gigabytes. So guys, and no further ado, tell me guys what y'all like, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces one. Stay tuned for my video. I don't know when this video is going to actually go up. A lot of times when I do my unboxings and stuff like that, it takes me a couple of days to upload and stuff like that. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces one.